What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, specifically in today's episode, we are going to continue from where we left off in yesterday's video, as I do strongly believe we might have actually hit some sort of bottom support on the major cryptocurrencies, because I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds here that it looks like we're rebounding. We found some sort of support level on these cryptos, and it looks like we're starting to swing back to the upside here, which is quite exciting if you ask me. Now, over the past couple of days, you can see we were actually watching what appears to be some sort of, we had an ascending triangle. It kind of broke us downwards. You can see we had sideways trading on Bitcoin here. We started to break down, and we said, oh, well, maybe there's a fourth breakout coming. Maybe we're forming what appears to be a fourth bull flag formation here, but even more so, maybe we're actually rebounding back up. And there was a lot of signs in particular on these cryptos that actually screamed, hey, time for a reversal. So you can see here on XRP, even though we started to dip below our 4-hour, you can see ascending triangle. We had originally drawn a 4-hour ascending triangle. You can see we were filling in this gap here, playing around with it. We broke through it. Well, where did we go? Right to moving average, which makes total sense. And here you can see us kind of reversing off that, which also makes total sense to me. But moving to the daily, you can see also where that support level is. So there's a good chance that we are going to rebound off this, and we haven't necessarily discovered a top yet. So we don't know if it's going to be angled. We don't know if it's going to be straight for sure, but there's a good chance we could be filling this out here, forming some sort of movement. Maybe it'll be, you know, some sort of symmetrical triangle. Maybe it'll be an ascending triangle, descending. I don't know yet. We don't have enough indicators, enough, you can see enough candles for us to form a solid technical indicator to help us base judgment on here. So lots of things to talk about. There's also lots of other signs of reversal within Ethereum and Bitcoin, you can see here. But also, I guess before we dive into the technical analysis, we are still doing our crypto coin display. As you guys know, today is Thursday. Drawing ends on Saturday, and we'll be picking a winner Sunday, so there's not much time left. Like I've said before, and you can increase your odds of getting, you know, one of these by commenting on my previous videos since the previous Saturday here. We're going to be doing 6 days total from Saturday to Saturday here. If you want a chance to win this XRP display, which I'm pulling up right here, let me get it up here. It has a $129 value right here, plus shipping, so on and so forth here. I have it in all my videos. You can see in the background here. If you want to win one of these bad boys completely free, all you have to do is comment down in the comment section below that you've subscribed to the channel. So comment subscribed and XRP giveaway. Comment those two things and you'll be entered in the giveaway. Obviously, if you're not subscribed, you will not win, as I will be checking. And if I pick you as a winner and I check and you're not subscribed, then I'm not sending it to you. So make sure to do that. And if you want to increase your chances of winning this, and this is the first time you've seen the video or you've missed out on commenting on previous videos, you can go back all the way to last Saturday and comment on every single video XRP subscribe to increase your odds, because I'm going to pick one video at random. So make sure to go do that ASAP. Make sure to comment it down below today so you don't forget. But that's how you can win one of these bad boys free. We'll be doing the drawing Sunday, and the drawing closes Saturday. So make sure to do that. But with that all being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. So guys, what I want to show you really quick is in yesterday's episode here, I'm just going to pull up where we had drawn XRP as we were showing signs of potentially a downtrend, but also potentially reversing off this support. We kind of moved support a little bit lower, but in reference, I kind of was almost predicting, you can see, a swing back to the upside here, that there's a good chance we can start to trend inside this channel. Like, this could be a new channel forming on cryptocurrency, and that's what we're going to go into in depth today. Now, we are seeing that reversal, which is quite exciting. We're up 1% right here at 1.19 trillion, which is really nice, and I do think we're going to continue to see that swing back to the upside here. We're up 0.8, 1.1, 2%, 1.6, 2.7. Like, there's a very small recovery window that we're starting to see. And if I zoom in over the weekly, you can see small uptrend, small uptrend. I mean, obviously, we already had a correction and a dip and a drop in the price. So it makes total sense that we're starting to see that reversal back up here. But it's nothing to be like surprised or super happy about. Yes, maybe the drop is over, but it's not we're not breaking out to new all-time highs anytime soon. However, there is still this possibility that a reversal could come for these major cryptos. Now, obviously, we did get stopped out on XRP. That happens as we expected, a reversal to start to take place. So you can see see with the correction to the downside, we were tracking this ascending fractal. We broke bearish. We hit support. Stop loss was set, and we do hit that. So we are kind of floating around right now to see what exactly is going on here. But I do believe there's a good chance we could continue to see a swing to the upside here. Now, I said this in yesterday's video, and I'll say it again. This is definitely an aggressive trade by any means here. I'm a strong believer that this is aggressive. It is not conservative. A conservative trade would be below this for a short or above this for a long. We haven't done that yet. So teeter-tottering inside of this is very, very, very volatile, which makes it very, very, very aggressive. So you're going to have to pay attention to see how exactly this pans out. If we break through here, well, then we can readjust our positions for a short. But for the time being, this is kind of what I'm anticipating to see happening here. So we'll see if that comes true or not. Now, the reason I'm more so a believer of a reversal is, yes, by the price floor that we've kind of reversed off of 3 days ago, but also the way these other cryptocurrencies look. Now, I mean, I know people are going to kill me for extending this again, but there's a good chance we might be seeing some sort of support more so like this. It's very possible that this could be that floor that we were talking about here. I don't know for certain. I don't know for sure, but I'm just kind of tweaking stuff like this so we can get a general view of what exactly is happening here. There is some sort of uptrend. We could have broken through this. This could very well have been something like this that we broke through. Kind of this is the ascending fractal, and I could leave it like this. It's totally fine, as this is probably more accurate than what we're dealing with now here. But the thing is, we've fallen now, so much so from the top resistance, and you can see why I say this is an aggressive trade is because of how quickly we run up, and in 2 days, we're back down to where we practically started from. So it is very aggressive, but this was an easy long that we took advantage of and an easy short that we took advantage of. And breaking through this and heading back down to retest moving average is also a sign of potential reversal here. Now, I mean, it's almost at the point where we could start deleting this kind of ascending fractal that we're seeing here, at least the bottom, mainly because you can see we're more so focusing on the sideways channel. So I could leave it here for now, but I'm going to delete it for the time being. It's too tough. I'm more so, it does look very solid like that. Same thing with this bottom one here. It does look very solid. I don't know. I kind of like it being left here, but more so, the fact is we are bouncing off support. We hit moving average. We hit the price floor. We are starting to rebound here. Now, you have to consider that we've had a very tough time with Ethereum breaking through this sideways channel here. Very tough time. You can see the amount of uncertainty, the amount of sideways trading that has taken place within that channel. There's a good chance we can continue to see that here. Now, I do believe we might see some movement like this in this in this sideways channel here. I don't think it's going to last that long. But at some point, I do believe we should be retesting this. And this is going to be a problem for us. And if we manage to break through that, then I do expect to see a very solid rebound. As you can see, the price of Ethereum has consistently showed us on the daily. There's a very solid chance for another major green candle. But it might take some time before that actually happens. So, keep that in mind. But moving forward from Ethereum here, looking at the other cryptocurrencies before we wrap up the video, you can see Bitcoin's doing some very odd and peculiar things. We did put in for a short. We're probably going to get stopped out very soon, it just didn't seem like there was enough volume to fall lower here, which is just peculiar. Yeah, we might be starting a downtrend. I'm not entirely sure. Like, there's too many variables right now for Bitcoin 2 to scream, okay, here's support, okay, here's resistance. I don't know yet. Like, there's a very big chance we could easily break back above here and swing back up. And now it's like, that's how I would position this. We do have a stop loss right around here. So ideally, if we break through this and close the daily, I'd potentially switch for a long, as we could expect to see prices swing back up and rebound back up inside this sideways channel here. It's very possible we could see that on a lot of these cryptocurrencies. So it's a bit peculiar. We'll see what happens. As for the S&P 500, that's continuing to moonshot is beyond me. We're kind of falling. We're kind of running out of juice and falling trading sideways here. So hopefully it does start to dip. But I do expect to see a dip happen here. And when that does, I would ideally think it would pull cryptos down with it. But I don't know yet. It hasn't happened yet. I'm still a firm believer that a dip is to come. I think a lot of these cryptos could benefit from a dip short term, a healthy dip, to allow us to head higher, but it's really up in the air at this point. But that's pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully that answered a lot of you guys' questions. We are kind of sitting ducks right now until we see some more movement and some more price candles happen. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.